in this new topic that is about the gradient, what we need to be careful is when we use the gradient formula is to never forget that in the denominator is where x are going to be, the x2, x1, and in the numerator is where we're going to find our y2 and y1. As in this course, we're going to define the gradient or the slope with the letter m. So in page 127, the exercises from the group 6C.2, I'm going to start to walk you the number 1. So the question is simply use the gradient formula to find the gradient of the line segment connecting the next point. I'm going to start with the first one, and the points I have are 4 and 7, and a second point is the coordinate are 3 and 2. So again, never forget that those points, one on the left are the x coordinate and the one on the right are the y coordinate. Again, I have to just decide which point is my point number 1 and which is my point number 2. So I don't make any problem because you already know that there's no difference. So simple like that, I just replace in the formula. So y2, that's my y number 2, so it's 2 minus y1, that is 7, and here we have our number 1, so y1 is 7. No problem with the signs, we don't have any issue here. We're going to do another one with signs, and here x2, that's 3, and x1 is 4, so minus 4. And I just do the simplification. 2 minus 7, negative 5. 3 minus 4, negative 1. I use the rule of the signs. This is a 5 positive. So let's choose another one that have negative sign, like J. So here we have a point that is negative 3 as x coordinate, and y coordinate is going to be negative 2. Then our second point is negative 1 and 5. Again, I need to remember those are the x, those are the y. I decide which one is my point 1 and which one is my point 2. When I have that, I can just jump in the formula and replace. y2 is my number 5 here, minus y1 minus a negative 2. As we know the rule of the sign, minus negative become positive, that's a 2, over my x2, that is negative 1, minus a negative number, so minus negative become positive 3. Simplify, 5 plus 2 is 7, and negative 1 plus 3, that's a 2. There you go.